My son plays with the Purple Parrots. It's more than hockey for sure because they're raising money for cancer research, and I think they're always the second or third highest fundraiser.
It's really important. I think they're doing a great event, and my son-in-law has participated for the last 5 years, and we really believe in it. I think it's a great way to bring everybody together and fight for something right.
My wife is a breast cancer survivor. She now is stage 4 fighting bone cancer.
I'd say as a patient that goes to Roswell every 2 weeks or so, it's nice to have the resource room. It's a beautiful room and the people there are friendly and welcoming. It's a nice resource to have in the hospital.
I was trained in Buffalo for neurosurgery, and then I moved to Milwaukee. That's where my wife is from. But we came here for the weekend to support him and cancer. You know, as neurosurgeons, we see a lot of tumors, we see a lot of things, and we know how it affects life. And I think for us to prevent, with all this research we can do, it'll be really beneficial. When we fight cancer, we always need to do research. To do research, you need money.
To help raise funds to help find cures or better treatments to extend the quality of life for people that do have cancer. Everybody knows somebody. You really touch almost all the families here in Western New York. So that's why it's important here. That's why it's important to be a part of it, in my opinion.
So hopefully we'll get kids that are his genes. Great job, man. Wonderful.